Hi guys, welcome back to a new video. In today's video we're going to be working on Tom's i30N. We've got a Maxton Design spoiler extension, as you can see. So this one's just going to get 3M taped on, just because it's covered in it anyway, and see how long it lasts with this. So yeah, let's just get straight into it. Tom's just drying off the spoiler and then we'll clean it off and stick it on. So we've lined this all up now with this tape, and we're just going to clean off the area where it sticks, which is just here, with these, probably just these alcohol wipes. Line it up on both sides and then we'll just stick it on. We'll line it up with the N in the middle with the Maxton Design badges, stick it on, and jobs are good. So then, as you can see, it already comes with 3M tape already on the bottom. So we're just going to take this off and line it up on the car and stick it down. So as you can see, we're just going to peel it off bit by bit, get it all aligned all around. Oh. So as you can see, we're just peeling it along now, all the way to the end. Press it down. And then what we're going to do is we're just going to get a hairdryer and just heat it all up and make sure it's all firm and secure on there. And then we'll peel the protective seal off and show you the final product. So as you can see, it's looking fat. So there, I'm just heating up the glue now to the hairdryer. Make sure it's all firm on there. And we'll peel back this protective seal and show you the final look. Get it all nice and stuck on. So then, as you can see, we've got the spoiler on, we've taken the protective cover off, fitment, no glue residue, fits pretty nice, all aligned with the 45° all the way along, as you can see. It's looking real aggressive, which makes it look bigger. This is probably the best angle. So yeah, that'll be it for today's video, but like I said, there's going to be a lot more Maxton kit going on this. We're getting the full rear diffuser, side skirts, front splitter, so keep watching and you'll see that. So yeah, thanks for watching, I'll see you in the next one. Like and subscribe for more on the i30N.